How we doing, guys? So I made a series of videos on warm-up exercises that I use on myself before I work out, and I use with my clients before they work out. And in my experience, it's helped me get really strong, and it's helped my clients get really strong and avoid injury. So I'm going to kind of go over a roadmap with you, why you should do it, how you should do it, all that, so you can make the most effective use of your time and have the best workout. Quick disclaimer, make sure you consult with a doctor if you think there's any reason you shouldn't exercise, and make sure we're using caution when we follow these videos. Some of these stability exercises are potentially dangerous. Nobody has ever been hurt working with me, because we use caution, we progress, start with easy challenges and then work up to hard challenges. The videos are all laid out in order in each playlist, so make sure you follow the order of operations, and then if you struggle with something simple, stick with the simple thing and then move to the more challenging thing. Now, why should you spend 15 to 30 minutes warming up? I know everybody's on a tight schedule and your workout's probably long enough as it is, but in my experience, the results that I get from myself and the results I get from my clients are much more consistent when we start with mobility, progress to stability, and then do whatever strength routine or cardio routine we have. That order of operations is very important. It comes from Greg Cook in the functional movement system. I'm grateful to him and all the work that he did on that. It's helped me a lot personally, and it's helped my clients. It's helped giving me the knowledge to assist them the best. So when we start with mobility, you'll see there's 3 mobility playlists. You'll have superficial back line, superficial front line, and then lateral line. It really doesn't matter which one you begin with. Just make sure you follow order, beginning to end. In my experience, that order generates the most consistent results. It isn't always the case, but most of the time it is, and your chances of success are much greater if you do. After you've done the mobility playlist, proceed to the stability playlist. Stability playlist, there's much more of them because we go joint by joint. It's important to have stability everywhere. If you're squatting, you need stability at every joint in the body, from your ankles to your knees to your hips, the lumbar spine, thoracic spine, cervical spine, all the way up, shoulders, everything needs to be stable in order for your squat to be the best that it can be. And a lot of times when I'm finding people are struggling with a squat or any movement, if we back it up to either mobility or stability, I find an error, and by correcting that error, we improve the squat. So that being said, work through everything. Block off some time. The core exercises, you don't really need too much equipment, just resistance bands, a playground ball, some stuff like that. The other stuff you do kind of need a little bit more, and you will need to kind of make a conscious effort and plan your routine out. But I highly recommend you do. If you follow the order of each that I have laid out, you're going to find that your workouts are much more consistent, and you'll feel a lot better walking out of the gym. After you've done your mobility and your stability, then proceed to strength. Again, give it a try. See if I'm full of it or not. If you have questions, leave them in the comments, please. I'll do my best to get back to them. Like and subscribe if you like the videos, and I'm going to be coming out with more. This is just a really quick and dirty. I'm going to do a breakdown of mobility. I'll do a breakdown of stability, and maybe at some point we'll do a breakdown of strength as well. Have a great day, everybody.